Do you want breakfast? Sonica.
The most dangerous animal on this planet. A violent creature filled...
The rent's due. Do you have your portion this month, or no?
Oh my god. Could it be? Oh my god. Bring your butt here.
That's right, baby. Nice and slow. Oh, yeah.
She's so brave, she's well behaved, she is not afraid.
Is it cold?
No, it's not cold.
Are you cold?
No, I'm not cold.
You're not cold?
No.
You want to get out?
No.
Are you cold?
No, no.
You're not cold?
No.
Are you sure?
I'm still...
Luchitas con su tía.
Oh!
Bruce!
Yeah, I forgot his bowls were here and I used one of yours.
A couple of days.
Yeah. Does that have to do with what happened before the recoupling?
Yeah.
So you knew about it? No, I knew about what.
What you want, Lil Renty? What? I know, but I'm working.
Good boy. Good boy.
Parkour! Michael! Parkour! Parkour! Extreme! Parkour! Parkour! This is parkour. Internet sensation.
And you have to enjoy every second of being pregnant. Do you hear me? Right.
I'm just gonna scooch in right here if you don't mind.
Did it on my chest? Did you get a little fucking pallet in my leg? Oh gosh, you're such a good boy.
Tina is in.
You're such a silly. You're such a silly goo. Gotcha.
My Frenchie is broken, sits on her bub like a human.
Pardon? Stop. I used my laundry basket as a crate because I can't find the crate and he won't stop scratching at the door to get out to attack a possum. Shame.
¿Qué pasó? ¿Qué? ¿Qué quieres?
What? Hey! Stop pushing down on my hand. You pre-eating again? Are you pre-eating again? I want some brunch. I'm sorry, buddy. It's mine.
Parkour! 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 Extreme! Parkour! Parkour! This is Parkour. Ow. Internet sensation of 2004.
I heard that once you're able to complete the 300-pound grip strength, then something crazy happens. Oh!
That's me. I love Moonlight Stone. Like sunsets too. That doesn't mean you're. He did it tonight. It's really. What is it?
No, Yuli.
Dory, do you see anything?
Ah! Something's got me.
That was me. I'm sorry.
Who's that?
Who's that? Who could it be? It's me.
Are you my conscience?
Who was interested first? Who said I love you first? Who's more protective? Who cleans more? Who eats the most? Who spends the most money? Who is most likely?
This is my beautiful, gorgeous angel who has never done one thing wrong in her entire existence. And this pile of lard has a warrant in 3 counties.
Wow! A candle lid! I love candle lids! Wow! A piece of plastic! Wow! A chewed up, nasty old sock! I've always wanted a nasty, chewed up sock. Oh! Be no! All right. Ollie! Up down. Ready? Little pork. Small pork. Small pork. Good girl. Pork. Bang! Bang, Penny. Okay, good girl.
Yes, I came here yesterday and got a coffee, and there was. Wow. You guys have terrible service here.
This is the cutest thing I've ever seen in my life. Oh.
Happy dream, puppy?
ვიცი რომ გესმის აკოცე და წაგიყვან.
Halva vägen fram till overallen.
Un, dos, tres. No, güey.
What is it? Are you gonna burp on me?
Good boy. Oh, yes. Good boy. Amazing. Is that all right? Good.
My God.
When it comes to 3-year-old Kanaya, Michael, you are not the father.
How are you even real? Like, look at that face. Look at that face. Ugh, you're freaking perfect.
What time did you say we were eating? At 4:30. 4:30. Oh, 4:30. Okay. Thank you.
Frenchie owners, stop yelling at them. They don't give a shit what you saying. Look at this face. You think she gives a shit?
Do you think I'm going to be playing indoors when it's 85 degrees out here? Piss off.
What did you do? What did you do?
Waiting for you.
Hello, Blake. Sit down.
I began to pass out. Then my head hit the wall.
Come on. Everybody get out. Come on. Because I'm getting active too. I'm getting active too.
You're not real playful, puppy. Winter. Come here. I'll bet you.
What time did you say we were eating? At 4:30. 4:30. Oh, 4:30. Okay. Thank you. Yep.
Shut. What is it? Shut. What?
I mean, honestly, I do find it a bit annoying that I had to go get ready for work and you just get to have another day of staying home all day and sleeping.
Oh, Joey, I just missed that.
What's wrong?
Okay, this is hilarious. My neighbor leaves little treats outside for Bruno, and I used to think he was saying I have to go poo-poo or pee-pee, and I was like, good boy, but then I opened the door and watch this. I guarantee you there's a treat on the other side of this door. Good boy. Thank you. He's a good dog.
Wow! Oh, wow! Honey mustard! Wow! Trash! Wow! A Nature Valley ball! Wow! A piece of string. Oh. Wow! A kitty cat!
Do
Dude, that's my hair. Ow! Zayna!
First step to an electric summer.
Today's teardown is quite the doozy, and no, tearing down an old doozy bird, sorry.
Fuck your heels.
Do your happy face, sad face, mad face, surprised face, silly face.
You little shit bag. I want one to go, yo. Right, for sale, need come up.
Keith, it's closed.
Keith, it's closed. Closed.
It's closed. No, it's closed. I know, but it's closed, boy. We can't go in.
Georgia, we're not going for a ride. We're not going for a ride. What are you doing? What are you doing? Come on, let's go. We're not going for a ride. We're not going for a ride today. Not today. Come on. Come on. Come on. Oh, yeah. Come on, girl. Come on. Come on.
Yes, I was talking to you. Can I just tell you that you was really great back then, man? Those guards, they thought they was all of that. Then you showed up and bam, they were tripping over themselves like babes in the woods. See that? That really made me feel good to see that.
Oh, that's great. Really?
Man, it's good to be free.
Now, why don't you go celebrate your freedom with your own friends?
But,
Get out. I don't care. Coco, get out. Get out. I do not care.
Hello there, Lemonhead, what do you said? Sweet sugar beauty, you are looking like a cutie. Sweet sugar beauty, you are looking like a cutie.
What's your name? What? What is your name? Tony! Fuck you, Tony! What's your name? Ezekiel! Fuck you, Ezekiel! Fuck you! Fuck you! Hey, you know what I did last night? You better not bring my mother into this! You know what I did? You better not! Get that fire over there! Oh! Can I punch your mother next to it? Fuck